Assalamualaikum viewers. Today's reading is about your person. How do they behave with you after marriage? How will they go with you? How will they talk to you? Okay, deal with you. And there we have two piles, and choose whichever you are attracted most. I'm going towards the pile number one. Okay, those who choose pile number one with this silver colored motorcycle keychain, your first card is Eight of Pentacle, and I think that they had done a lot of work to get you, to have you in their life, to marry you, and they love you a lot. They are going to do a lot of things, a lot of hard work to make you happy, to make you love them. Okay, they are doing hard work over here. Okay, this is the first card with for you. They love you and they are going to do a lot to with you. And with Ace of Swords upside down, I think there is some kind of clarity that is not going to shown you, that is not going, you can't look that, you can't see that clarity. Okay, and clarity or some kind of truth is not revealing towards you. Maybe they are hiding something inside them, and they are not starting the life with you after marriage. This is the after marriage reading, and they don't want to start something with you, and they will struggle to tell you that, or to make a relationship with you. Okay, then what's the next card? Okay, Six of Wands. Okay, now they want to win something, they want to success in some matter, but they are not succeeding in this situation. I want to clarify this card. Okay, with this card they want to deceive to deceive somebody. Maybe they want to deceive you, they want to backstab you, they want to steal something from you, and they don't want to start the life with you. Maybe they don't like you, and that's why they are not going they don't want to begin something with you, start with something with you, start their life with you, and that's why they are not happy in this situation. They think that they are not succeed in this situation, and they are not able to leave you. Okay, they want to leave you, but they are not able to leave you because of something, because of these restrictions. The Hierophant, somebody going to stop them, going to restrict them to leave you. Maybe the parents are telling them to don't do this, or I will punish you, something over here. And this Lover card is upside down. That means that they are not in love with you. They love somebody else, or they are not in love with you, they don't like you. And with this Eight of Pentacles, they will have a hard time to make with you. Okay, to make the relation with you. And with this Sun card, yes, this is definitely will be happen, that they are going to win in this situation, that they will going to love you, they are going to take care of you, but they still don't want to do it. Maybe they are hesitated about this situation, that in past I have done a lot of bad things towards you, and now how they love me, how they forgive me, that like that situation. Okay, I think then you are not like them anymore, or they still have no love for you, but they have responsibility towards you. No, no wheel of fortune, yes, no luck for them, but they have desires for you. They have they think that they have responsibilities for you, towards you, and they are going to make something for you. They are going to make a home. They are going to secure you. They are going to protect you, and this relationship, they are protecting something over here. They are protecting themselves. They are protecting you, or their relationship with you. And this is going to be happen soon after your marriage. They got that they are married to you. They have a relationship with you, and they have to they had some responsibilities toward you. They soon they recognize that, okay. And with let your friends help you. Ask for and accept support from others. Yes, if your in-laws are going to help you, or some friends or family members, anyone, if you need some help from them, then ask them. And if they are helping you, then let them do it, okay. Chemistry, there is a strong magnetic attraction here. Yes, you both have chemistry this in this relationship, a strong magnetic attraction in this relationship. You are a good person. You are I think you are a spiritual person. That's why the universe is helping you, that they are coming towards you. They are thinking about you. They are going to make with you the relationship. They are going to make the relationship with you. Yes, at first they are not willing to do it. They are not with you. They are maybe they are fighting to you. They are not talking to you. Stay at the distance, and they have to do a lot of work to come towards you. But they, at least they are going to win this situation, that they are going to come towards you, okay. Saver mermaid, your sensuality is beautiful. Look, that's what I have to tell you, that you are a good person. You are a pure person. You are a spiritual person. That's why they are telling you your sensuality is beautiful, and you don't have to change yourself. You are a good person. Be as you are. Don't change yourself, okay. The universe will help you out. Out of greatest system, out trick or treat. And this is the, we are here, but there is something, there is no help, maybe for them to go towards someone else, or to leave them, you. The universe is not helping them to leave you, or some kind of you need some kind of help or guidance, but there is nothing over here. Wait, you have to wait for them. Yes, definitely you have to wait for them. They are going to change themselves, but they take time. This change will take the time, and you have to wait for them. And then the angels are not with you also. But yes, but this your relationship will be better in with the passage of time, okay. What else now? I think I have to get some more cards for you. I have the question that will this relationship will get better, or they will come towards you. And yes, they will come towards you. They will make their promise with you. They will fulfill your promise with you. They are now starting to thinking about you. How do I get this thing better? What will I have to do? They are going to care about you, okay. And they are happy in this situation. They are not leaving you. They are not cutting you from their life. They are not isolated. They are not keeping their thoughts in their mind. They are going to tell you what they think, what they want, whatever they had in their mind. And they are now going to be polite with you. And with this tower card upside down, there is no disaster in your relationship, in your love life. They are going to be mend this situation, you're hurt, they're hurt, and there's I think there is no separation over here. And with this page of wands, they are still not happy with this. They are not about thinking about you, but they are taking this relationship as it is. And page of pentacles, now they are not thinking about someone else. They are still not happy with this situation, but they are still not thinking about someone else, not going to start something with someone else. Okay, and with this four of swords, they are not relaxing, they are not happy with this, but they take this relationship as it is, because their father or mother or someone they are telling them that don't do it, this is not good for you. They are restricting them, and they are not starting something new with you or someone else. Okay, and with this death card at the bottom of the deck, maybe they are going to stop or end their behavior, the bad behavior towards you, and they are going to start the good behavior towards you. Okay, and then yes, they are going to start something new with you, with maybe with their desires, with their what can I say, with their emotions, or I think that this is for they search about you, they they console with a concealer, or with a mentor, or some kind of molvi or something, and they tell them that this is not good way to behave with you, and they are now going to behave you with good things, or you are going to help them with some money, and they are coming back towards you, I think so. Whether they are not happy with this situation, but they are going to heal this situation. Yes, they are a magician. They can change anything. They are going to change their behavior towards you. They are going to love you. They are going to take care of you, think of you, and they need a lot of strength for this. Maybe somebody backstabbed them, betrayed them, or they want to betray you. And but this is the situation that they had backstabbed by someone had deceived them or tell them the lie, but they are now coming out of this situation. They think they are stuck over here, but this is not, they are not stuck over there. They are free to go anywhere, and they are going to search about this situation. They are going to they are going to think that what I am doing to this person, she is or he is good with me, then I don't have to do anything bad towards them. And seven of wands, they are protecting their thoughts, they are protecting you, they are protecting your both of your love. And three of wands, they are waiting for the right time to tell you. And with this hermit, they are searching for their way, their path towards the truth, towards the right thing, maybe towards you. You are waiting here for them, and they are coming towards you. They are searching their path in the light of this candle towards you, because this hermit's face is towards this lady, and she is waiting for someone over here. And with this Knight of Swords, they are coming towards you. They want you, they love you, they are coming towards you. Maybe if they not love you, but they think some responsibility, they think that they have some responsibility towards you. Okay, this is the reading for you, for today. I hope you like it. If you want something more to learn about your situation, then go and watch my previous videos, or you can see my new videos in future. And for that you have to subscribe and press the bell icon, so you can get all the videos I am going to make in the future. And with lots of love, with lots of good wishes, bye. I am going towards the reading number 2. Okay, with this can I say, with this colored keychain or pile number 2, choose the pile number 2. Your first card is page of cups. What? 5 of cups, sorry. Your person is also not happy with this situation. They are not thinking about you, they are thinking for someone else, or maybe they are thinking that this is so soon to marry, and they want to do something else, and they are not happy with this situation to marry with you. In first reading, there is also the something about this related to this thing, this reading. They also not like that situation. Okay, with 3 of cups upside down, they are not happy with this situation. They don't want this, they want something to do something else. They are not happy with this situation. Judgment card upside down, they are definitely, they are not agreeing with this marriage. They are not agreed with this with the universe, that this will happen to them. This is happened to them, and they are neglecting it. They are saying that I don't believe that this happened. Yes, and they say that they don't think that you are their wife or husband. Okay, with this King of Pentacles, they are not going to take care of you. They are not think that you are their family member, you are their wife or husband, and they are not giving you anything, any emotions towards you. And with this wheel of fortune upside down, there is no luck in this situation. None they have the luck, and also not you have the luck in this situation. Page of Wands, they are not thinking of you, they are not have any attractions towards you. They don't like you, they don't want to talk to you, they don't want to listen to you. And with 6 of Pentacles, yes, there is no emotions in this relationship. They don't want you. They don't want to take this relationship any further. And 2 of Swords, and they are not blocking. They are not blocked. They are not restricted over here. They are free to do it. Here they are free to leave you. With this Justice card, yes, they are not going to make any justice over here. They are I think they are going to leave you. They don't want you in their life. They are not doing the justice. They are not thinking that this is the bad thing to do, and they have to take this relationship further, or they have to think about you. They have the responsibility towards you. No, they are not thinking about these things. Page of Swords, this is in reverse position, and with this card, they are not as brave as they to take this relationship to the another level, and they are not lying to you. They are not telling you any lie. They are telling you the truth, that they don't want to you. They just want to leave you. With this 10 of Cups, they want the happy relationship with someone, or this is you who want the happy relationship with them. I want to clarify that card. Okay, I think that this is the to you who thinks that this relationship is very good, and I will make it better. I think there's two persons in this situation. One is giving their heart, their love towards other. They are thinking about someone else, they love someone else, and they are going towards them and telling them that I love you, and do work for them, do something for them. And the other person is not putting any energy, anything, any emotions in this situation. Okay, and I think this relationship is it is still going because of you, because you are letting, you are the right person in this situation, and you are doing the hard work to make them love you. Okay, and with this Four of Pentacles, nobody have any desire to take it anymore. Yes, though nobody want to protect it, nobody want to have it in your life, and nobody is stubborn over here, or want to take this relationship any further. And with this true love, this is the romantic of a romance of a lifetime. The universe are telling you, the angels are telling you that this is the romance of the lifetime. That you are the good person for them, you are best for them, and they have to love you, they have to come towards you. And with Ravan and Crow, they are going to end this relationship over here. Ravan or Crow is for death, is for darkness, is for black magic, is for ending, is for toxic things, poisonous things, all the bad things. I think they are going to leave you, and universe are telling them that you are the true love for them. And mildew fairy, clean up time, and universe is also telling you to leave that person, leave that situation that is not giving you anything, any happiness, any love, any care. Clean up all that, those are not good for you. Okay, and you have to leave them. This relationship leads to the separation. Yes. Okay, this is the reading for you for today. I hope you like it. Please like, share, subscribe, and if you want to know more about your relationship, then you have to go and check my previous readings, or you can watch my upcoming readings, and for that you have to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you can get all of my readings. Okay, with lots of love, with lots of good wishes. Bye.